Hey everyone, I'm here with Nikki.
Hi.
And as you know, I'm a creative colorist, but I also have another passion, and that's avant-garde styling. So I want to take you with me on a great journey to do a beautiful avant-garde with wigs and extensions. And I hope you're going to enjoy my work. So we're going to have some fun.
Yes, we are.
So my base is finished. I have my wigs and my extensions built up. My inspiration was the Renaissance time, and now I'm gonna do those beautiful curls, what you see in those decades, to create it with a small curling iron to have that look totally finished. Thank you for watching. I hope you got inspired and that you love it. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.
Bye.